Hi, friends, and welcome back to my home sweet home. Tell me this isn't the cutest little entertaining trick you've ever seen. These are flameless floating LED candles from Homemory, and they make my table feel so planned and so special. Even if you pull things together last minute, it still looks really great, don't you think? With a smile and a prayer, it turns out, right? I went and picked these out of my garden, and these are my zinnias. They're so colorful, and I thought they'd be beautiful floating in here. So the really cool thing is these are waterproof, and they float just easily and beautifully, and you get that really cozy candlelight look without the wax. No smoke, no worries. And here's the part that makes me giggle a little every time I go to lift them out. A little because it's just so clever. They're water activated. The second they touch the water, they turn on. And then you lift them out and they turn off. It's so easy, so clean, and no fussing around. I like that. And can we talk about how long they last? Up to 200 hours of glow. That's not one dinner party energy, that's holiday season energy, which I love. I love the candles through the holidays. That's I'm hosting again and I still have my life together kind of energy. I love it. I love anything that makes my home feel warm and welcoming and cozy, but also makes cleanup super simple because I want to enjoy my guests, not manage a centerpiece, right? And a home sweet home tip. Lighting is everything. A little soft glow makes people linger longer, laugh easier, and feel instantly at home. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.